The AI world is already shaking as 2026 begins. Meta bought a Chinese company for billions of dollars, yet they are immediately claiming they have no connection with China. Isn't that mysterious? Meanwhile, China alone has announced the production of 10,000 robots. And most surprisingly, why are the bosses of Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft secretly visiting India? In today's video, we will uncover all these mysteries. First, let's talk about Meta. They have spent $2 billion to acquire an AI agent named Manus AI. Benchmarks show that it has outperformed OpenAI by 10 points. Interestingly, even though the company is Chinese, Meta set a condition: no relationship can be maintained with China once the deal is finalized. This is going to be integrated directly into your Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. On the other hand, China has launched iQuest Coder, which has defeated GPT-5 and Claude by a significant margin in coding. It seems that after DeepSeek, this is China's new trump card. Meanwhile, Adobe has now joined forces with its longtime rival, Runway. From now on, you can generate videos using Gen 4.5 directly inside Photoshop or Premiere Pro. China isn't just making robots anymore, they are creating a robot nation. By 2026, they plan to deploy 10,000 humanoid robots in factories. In fact, at the next week's CES event, 20 of the 34 participating robot companies are Chinese, while the United States only has 5. They are installing robots everywhere, from singing at concerts to working in factories. Top tech giants, Tencent and Alibaba, have released several free open-source tools. Among them, Alibaba's Mind AI UI can operate your phone on its own. For example, if you tell it to book a movie ticket, it will open the app and complete the payment itself. Meanwhile, the AI Impact Summit is being held in India on February 15th, where everyone from Bill Gates to Jensen Huang will be in attendance. Instagram head Adam Mosseri says that in 2026, AI video will be so realistic that it will be hard to distinguish what's real. Because of this, raw or unedited video will become a luxury. Also, a new pair of smart glasses called Pickle One is coming, which will act as your second brain. It will know what you like before you do. Let us know in the comments which of this week's top updates you learned about for the first time. And to get more AI updates like this, subscribe to AIIT Guy. Thank you.